Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Bagas Prayoga, NPM 2241120 from Management 22 class. In here, I will explain about material organizational behavior. Definition. Organizational behavior is a system consisting of cooperative activities that are jointly carried out regularly and repeatedly by a group of people to achieve a goal. So, it can be concluded that it is the study of how human attitudes towards their work, colleagues, rewards, corporation, and others. Scope of organizational behavior covers how to understand people in a social system and manage and predict how they can work effectively. Organizational behavior specifically studies individual and organizational situations and their involvement with performance and productivity. Organization as a social system moves and strives to achieve goals that are more emphasized on how the organization is able to survive, adapt, and control change. To achieve its goals, the organization has complex activities. These activities will ultimate in the behavior of people in the organization. The phenomenon of studying organizational behavior science. Everyone must have perceptions, personalities, life experience, attitude, beliefs, and different level of ideals and carrying out their organizational goals. This means that in addition to studying to improve organizational performance, the science of organizational behavior can be used as an effort to understand ourselves. In organizations, an attitude is considered important because it affects work behavior. Organizational behavior shows that understanding individual attitude and behavior will ultimately be carried over when the individual works in the organizations. A person's perception of themselves and their environment becomes directions for themselves to do something. The purpose of studying the science of organizational behavior. Explain how organizations behave, both individuals and groups in organizations. Analyze or describe the various causes and effects of an individual or group behavior in the organizations, as well as its relationship with personnel productivity and organizational performance. Predict and solve various problems that arise in human interactions in organization, both interaction with people and with their environment with the environment. Factors that influence organizational behavior. Organizations are said to be productive if goals can be achieved and the process of achieving them is done by converting inputs into outputs at the lowest cost. Thus, it is related to effectiveness and efficiency. things that can affect the effectiveness and efficiency of the organization. Reduction of absenteeism. Absenteeism is the act of not coming to work without a reason. High levels of absenteeism can have a direct impact on organizational effectiveness and efficiency. Reduction in turnover. Turnover or employee turnover rate is employees who enter the organization and leave due to permanent resignation from the organization. Increased job satisfaction. Satisfaction is the difference between how much they believe they should receive and how much they actually receive. Employees are said to be satisfied if the difference is mathematically positive. Maybe that's all I can say. I will end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.